Okay, we are recording. As you know, in the United States, there are laws about recording people. Therefore, anytime you're having a meeting or a webinar that you're going to be recording, you really should let people know. Now, it is true that if you are recording, there will be a little red blinking light in the top left-hand corner, but you really need something more than just that. You need to, A, tell them when they enter the room that, and you start the recording, that they are going to be recorded or are being recorded. And if people arrive late, you need to let the late arrivals also know that. But there's a way you can get around all that. And that is to use a poll that you put up before you allow anybody into your meeting or your webinar. So we're going to go over here and we're going to say polls. We're going to add one. Okay. What's the title of this poll? Consent to record. Okay. This video conference, and that's basically what any meeting or any webinar with panelists is a video conference. Will be recorded. Do you consent to being recorded? Okay, and you're going to have to answer first is yes. Answer 2 is no. And you save it. Okay, then what you do is you put that up, open the poll, and put it up before you let anybody in. That way they have to answer yes or no before it goes off their screen. You can then, after they do it, say, all right, now, will those of you who said no, please raise your hand because I'm going to have to ask you to leave since you did not consent to be recorded. And they'll put up their hands, you can see who it is, and then you can remove them if they don't remove themselves. It's just really that easy to do. After it's over, you've got a list of the attendees and you've also got their individual answers where they agree to be recorded. You're covered. No matter what time they come in, they will always see that poll on their screen. That's the first thing they'll see. No matter where you are in the webinar, your regular attendees, once they vote on that and say yes or no, it goes away. So it won't interfere with them anymore. It's a great little way to get recorded consent to being recorded. And with that, we're going to stop the recording.